Every smartphone begins its journey inside one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities. Every particle matters. Clean rooms ensure microscopic precision throughout production.
The smartphone's brain begins as an ultra-pure silicon wafer.
Billions of microscopic transistors are etched with astonishing accuracy.
Circuit boards provide the foundation that connects every component.
High-speed robots position thousands of electronic components in seconds.
Artificial intelligence detects defects invisible to the human eye.
Every camera lens is aligned with microscopic precision. Advanced battery technology powers the smartphone throughout the day. The display transforms electronic signals into vivid, lifelike images.